Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Pierre, local and long-distance movers near me. A long-distance move usually requires excellent planning, more workforce, and few permits to complete the shift. And if you have decided to handle your shifting on your own, it isn't easy to handle legal formalities alongside packing and moving. Therefore, it's always best to hire a professional mover like 3 Movers. Being the oldest moving firm, we have expertise in handling long-distance moves. Our movers are also qualified to navigate your move and make sure to complete your move within a defined time. Additionally, our moving firm, 3 Movers, provides insurance on the product shifted through us. Therefore, in any case of wear and tear, the damage will be borne without any extra charges or hidden fees. It's crucial to understand that we should always hire a professional mover, irrespective of your move. Be it a local or long-distance shift, it requires equal efforts and time to complete the shift, so this is vital to hire a professional mover like 3 Movers. We also provide same-day shifting and help you relocate within the same day. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Pierre moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.